It's Million Dollar Monday. I'm here with John Casmon. John, how did you make your first million?
Real estate, investing in apartments. Smaller apartments at first, and obviously we've since scaled to larger apartments. But that very first deal, we generated around 150. It was a 2-unit building, and I generated my salary in about a year, and that's when I realized, there might be something to this real estate thing.
Awesome, man. How'd you make your last million?
Sold a property, real estate, sold a property, did really well.
How about your next?
I launched this restoration business, so we are, grinding away on that right now, and that is onto a pretty good start now. We just had some, lot of rain and a lot of projects there, so finalizing some of the invoicing and all that good stuff here, but it'll be through the restoration business.
Nice, man. Is that just to service your existing properties, or are you going to start rolling these things up? Because that's really hot right now too, rolling up these service businesses.
Yeah, the restoration business it's serving the greater Cincinnati area. I do have a vision to create maybe some other home service businesses, but that's beyond my property. This is the entire area. But yeah, obviously it helps to be able to call myself in if any of my properties need the work.